Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know which day it is, but I hope you guys are doing well. And today, basically, we woke up, we started packing because our holidays are almost over. So we started packing a little bit, bits and pieces. We were supposed to shop, but we could not. And somehow the day ended staying home. Okay, most of the day we were home, like the whole half we were home. And now we've planned a dinner with our friends, and I will take you guys along with me. I might not be able to vlog the entire thing, but I'll try my best to, vlog bits and pieces of the evening. What do we have to pack more? We still need to buy some more medicine, right?
Food stuff.
Then what?
Food stuff.
Food stuff.
Which we can.
Like dry things, like, chakri, they are like chakri.
Mangoes.
We are trying our best to get the mangoes.
Cashew nuts maybe.
Cashew nuts, chokri, भिंडी और पाची snack.
Chane.
Snack. चणे. फेरी अजूनही हा झाल्या पोपाक जाय.
What खाजे?
Haje, cardio bodio, that is important. But yeah, most of it, like, it's the snack part that is left, and we need to shop for that. We were supposed to go and shop for that, but I was too tired after packing, cleaning. He also woke up early in the morning before me. So now we'll be going out, meeting Malbit's granny,
Yeah.
and then we'll head out for dinner.
No, first we are going for chai.
We are going for chai kata. We are going on the bike, okay? So let's go without wasting more time. So. This area is very nice, no?
Yeah.
This is called Ban.
Yeah. Behind.
And Botti Ilaki. So guys, now we have left to have our dinner. We just had a stop at the Bambolim Cross, and now we are headed out. We are going to Shit Kodi, which is Adik's uncle's restaurant. So we are all headed out on our way there. Evening bike rides are the best. I could have come with a car, but then I said to Malbert, these are the only time we ride the bike. So that's the reason we are on our bike now. Okay, so once we reach there, I will let you guys know. And we have finally made it to this place, Shit Kodi.
Kadi.
Shit Kadi, sorry, Shit Kadi. Cheers, cheers. Pooja, cheers. Hui गेल तू पैसा आहे तू चोड. Cheers. Hui हा टाच जाऊंग जाय. This is Shinanu. Look at the size. Nikita. Hui hi mon.
Hi.
Hi. Sohana भी डाले, Sohana भी डाले.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Kaisi? So last couple of days in Goa,
Couple ali wrong na 1 and 2 days.
2 days.
2 days only.
how was your holiday?
Very good.
Focus आहे ना तुझ्या तोंडाचेर.
Very good. किती याला ते दाखवेल. किती सुंटा,
लेपो, चणा,
आणि you should
लिंबू मिरची,
लिंबू मिरची.
शिनाण्याची साईज पहिले.
Size पण घेतली.
Next level. कैसी?
I know you zoomed in. Baba. No, very nice.
Good.
Very nice. And moti तिसरे हो जाता.
रीमा तो घ्या तिथून भावानी खाल्ला
कोण हाता न्हू ताका त्याचा रिव्ह्यू घेता.
ते फक्त लस्सीत पिऊन असता दोन आहेत
आणि एक पण तुका भूक लागलेली बरे हा आता हा नीट हो घे आनंदवान एका तुका स्पेशल हे सांग किती ते सांग. अरे योगी या किती मसाला या बोलले आमची एक मॅडम. Naturals. bye bye. Welcome to Goa. Straight jao. Left tomorrow, left. Guys, we have reached to have ice cream. Nikita and Adik is already here. Malvad is also here.
Yeah.
And we come to Naturals.
Malvad and me, we're competing who's gonna become thin first.
Yeah, let's see, by next year you'll get to know. And
Rail.
and here there's Johan, Joel, Deep is also here. And Rima and Royston has parked too far away. And amchi Nei Kazari is also here.
Oh my god.
Where is the Nei Kazari? आणि दुसरा पण गेलो Dedo is here.
Welcome to Benjim.
Welcome to Benjim. कसं काय? Naturals.
Ice cream, full.
What are you going to have today?
Tender coconut.
And I'm going to have chiku.
Yes.
I hope it is available. What are you going to have?
Lining over.
What you going to have?
Because I'm lining down something to do a vlog
They are so mean people here. Especially this guy is very mean. Where is the another guy? I'm sorry. All the way from Porodim. Mr. Deep. What are you going to have, Deep?
Tender.
अरे सोगली tender करून अरे आमचे मॉडेल
Channel to my welcome, guys.
चॅनल टू माय वेलकम आणि मी तेही म्हणून मेरे फुडले उलटा
Please subscribe, everyone.
This is Joel and that is Johan. Both are hiding, fighting.
Tender coconut.
Chiku. Chiku. What are you having? All are having tender coconut. Of course. Where's Royston, Ray?
Hello. Come, Rapish.
Mango.
Mango. See, he's a different one. Like me. तू किती खाता?
Tender coconut.
सोगली tender coconut मध्ये. तू किती खाता?
Chiku niga, Gaudi.
Hey, Chiku. What you having?
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
This is Chiku, and I'm having with the cone. What about you? Cup?
I am waiting, yeah.
Waiting. And the boys are here already having. And some are inside. Waiting for tender coconut. Just imagine how long it will take.
2,000 years later.
Finally. Finally. The OG ice cream. Chiku. Chiku आणि किती?
Tender coconut.
मालवण आणि जॅकफ्रूट काय केला मिक्स. ये चेडे राहिला आणि वो धावून येईल साईडीन. Very comfortable. Bye 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 bye. क्या हुआ?
लेकिन इधर अलग ही लफड़ा हुआ.
अलग ही हुआ, अलग ही हुआ.
एकदम से बाजी पलट गई.
बाजी?
बाजी वाली ताव.
So guys, after yesterday's evening, we finally got back home. The small incident that happened was when we were enjoying ourselves with our friends, having ice cream at Naturals. One of the tourists, it's actually a shame, I don't even want to address this, but I had to because I think people should know what is happening, you know. People know exactly what is happening, but some choose to ignore, some choose to address it. But this is what exactly has happened to us. Malbert and my friend Yogi, one more friend Rima, who you've already seen in the video. They all three of them noticed that this particular tourist person was taking pictures while we were talking to each other and having ice cream and enjoying ourselves. And then they happened to like go and speak to him, confront him, and they asked him to show his phone and go to see there were pictures of ours. He said basically I was clicking picture of Naturals, but Naturals was nowhere to be seen in the photo. Just us, and he was actually quite close. In my videos also, I kind of saw him. If there is a clip, I might put it up here. Like I'll mark and I'll let you guys know. That was the guy, and along with him there was another one. So we called the cops, and So the Panjim Goa police basically came to the spot very soon, like, you know, in no time they were there, which was really commendable, and they've seen what exactly happened, and they supported us because we were on the right, you know, we were not the one who were wrong. And I don't think anybody would like things happening.
What he did after
Yes, that I don't want to talk about. Basically, Malbit saw what he did after clicking the pictures, you know. He saw what he did.
Even if you are dressed up.
I'm saying, like, before people come at me and say, like, we were, because I've heard, like, a lot of comments. That's the reason I don't, you know, talk about all of these things. And all of us actually stood by each other, and we've taken a stand for each other, and we've taken a stand against this. And the boys were already there. Sohan, Yogesh, Malbert, Deepraj, Johan, Joel, Royston. All of us basically, Nikita, Reema, me, Pooja, everybody basically did not like what exactly happened. So, and Adik also, obviously, everybody was annoyed, and we were literally very, very angry on what has happened. So, you know, because of certain tourists like this, the name has spoiled completely. It's such a shame. It's really a shame. But I'm glad that the Goa police was there, our friends were there. We were in a group and we spoke about the issue. We took a stand. So yeah, I don't want to talk about it more, but I think talking about this issue was a must, which I did. I have not put up a lot of clips on what exactly happened because obviously we were not recording on what has happened. We were like literally into it. We spoke about it to each other, and it was the first time that has happened to us, something like this. No?
Yeah.
Maybe it has happened, like maybe people are clicking pictures like this, you know, but we've never noticed. And his flash came on, so his flash was on. That's the reason these boys, they kind of saw him. But before that, he actually clicked a picture, and then
click more pictures.
he was trying to. Then they approached, so he stopped. So when I was going through my gallery and I saw a particular video, Malbert noticed that specific person was very close to where we were standing, which you've already seen in a clip. And
we are looking at him, literally we are looking at him what he is doing, and that's when we approached him.
yeah,
Because he went on the other side, and then also he was trying to click pictures.
that's when they were like, let's just go and, you know, confront him. But yeah, having said that, besides that, we had a really good time. You've already seen the whole vlog. I hope you've already seen the whole vlog. We had such a good evening, and at the end, this had to happen. If you faced any issues like this, guys, please speak up. We shouldn't tolerate all this bullshit and ignore it, because the moment you ignore it, you know, they think that they are having a freedom to do whatever it is. Like, and Goa is a beautiful place to live in. It's peaceful. Basically, Goan people kind of speak against the tourists and stuff like this. I think because of such incidents that has happened past years and even now. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog otherwise. And if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to us. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.